welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody are doing good. I hope you guys are keeping safe by the grace of God. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel again. And if today is your first time of coming across the channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. Okay, so today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Yes, it's going to be my makeup product that I use, and I will show you guys. You know why I'm doing this unboxing with you guys? Because the Douglas, they have sales now, and it's going to be beneficial for somebody that are watching me right now. So if something that interests you, keep watching. Voila! So guys, I received this package from Douglas yesterday. Okay, Douglas did not sponsor me for this video. I just want to unbox it with you guys, show you guys the makeup product that I use, as well as because now they have most of the product on sales. Okay, so as we are unboxing it, I will be telling you guys the price and as well as the product. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the package. Okay. Yeah. What is inside the box. Okay, so this is all the product they have. They just want to show me all the product as well as some gifts. So that is it. That is the first thing in the box. Okay, so and also some the receipt. Okay, and then the first product I will be sharing with you is this is this product. Okay, Estee Lauder. This is Estee Lauder foundation. Oh my gosh, guys, if you are looking for matte foundation that's going to give you that matte finish, have you ever tried this? Like, have you ever tried this? Okay, and I will be telling you guys the reason why I bought two. Okay, so this Estee Lauder, I've been using it like almost 2 years now, and I don't think that I will be able to use another foundation because, like, guys, I don't have that perfect face. Like, I have pimples, I have black spot, but this foundation really covers everything, like seriously. Okay, and I don't normally even use a concealer to conceal the black spot, but just a little drop of this can cover it. It's a full coverage, and also is a matte foundation. If you are looking for a foundation that's going to give you that matte look, go ahead and order it. Okay, and my color in this Estee Lauder foundation is a 5W2. Okay, so if you want to compare it to the MAC, before I normally use MAC, my color there is like NW43. Okay, in the foundation for MAC, but in Estee Lauder is a 5W2. Okay, so if you are looking for a foundation that's going to give you that matte look, especially with that have an oily face, guys, I have oily face, like seriously. But anytime I put on this really hold my oily face until the time I'm ready to to wash it out. Now Douglas have it on sales. Okay, I think in the Estee Lauder in their website is like still the same price, €45. That is the price I normally buy it, but now Douglas have it on sale. So if you are living around Europe, especially those of us that here in Germany, this is an opportunity for you to buy it because now it's a €28.89. Okay, so it's much cheaper now. And the reason why I bought two is because I want to give one to my friend. I want to send it to her as a gift for Christmas gift. Okay, so that is it. So guys, go ahead and try it out. Definitely you're going to come back and thank me. To be honest, this is the best foundation that I have ever used, and I don't think that I'm going to go for another one. Okay, so that is it. Maybe I will do a makeup video to show you guys how it really looks like. Okay, so now let me just show you the bottle. Okay, so this is how it looks. I hope you guys can see it. So this is how it looks. It's not that a big bottle, but it's a very portable, and yeah, it lasts. Okay, just a little a little one that you can take is already covered your face. Okay, so you don't really need that much. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it. So if you are looking for a matte foundation that's going to going to give you that matte finish, go ahead. And the most important is that they have it in all colors. It's almost like a 35 shades. So go ahead, try it out. You are going to love it, okay? So the next product I will be showing you guys is this primer. Oh my god, this primer is from Becca. Guys, if you want a primer that's going to give you that matte look, they're going to help your foundation to stay like as long as you want it, go ahead and get this primer. It's very good, okay? It's very nice, in as much as you have a good foundation, but if you don't have good primer, it's going to mess it up, okay? Go ahead and check it out. You are going to love it, okay? This is from Becca, okay? And it's very good. Before it is around 35 euro, but now I bought it 27 euro 99. It's in a little bit higher price, but this really, it worth it, okay? So if you are looking for, because I don't normally use it every time, I use it only when I'm going to church or party, any place that I know that I'm going to stay like more than 12 hours, because it really holds my foundation like seriously, okay? Yes. So another product where I will be showing you that is inside this box is this primer, baby skin. Oh my gosh, guys, this is my everyday primer, because just as I said before, I don't normally use this every time because it's a little bit expensive. I'm only using it when I'm going to church or when I'm going to party, okay? So but for my everyday makeup, this is the one I normally use. It gives me that matte finish look as well. It's not that expensive. I bought it 5 euro 99, very cheap and very good for it's going to help your foundation to pump out as well. So if you cannot be able to buy the primer from Becca, you can as well go ahead and buy this. It's very cheap and also it's very good, okay? So the next product I will be showing you is this powder from MAC, okay? This is NC45. That is my color. I'm using it in the MAC, okay? Yeah, so let me show you. This is it. In a powder I use NC45, but in a foundation is a NW43, okay? I hope you guys got it. So it's a very good one as well, because after I settle my concealer and all the rest, I just use this a little bit of it, just to round up my foundation, to round up my makeup, okay? So the last but not the least product I will be showing you guys is this loose setting powder. This is my favorite, guys. This loose powder is from Mercier. Guys, if you are looking for a loose setting powder under your eyes that's going to give you that sweet look, guys, go ahead and yeah, so this is my every sometimes I even use it to set all my face, without using the MAC foundation, the MAC powder, okay? This is a very good, and before is in a normal one, normal loose powder, but now they have it in a honey, and as well as I think it's almost like a 3 color they have it now. But now because this honey is also new, so I said, okay, let me try it, because I have seen many people, they said it's good more than the original one, okay? So maybe I would, just I said before, I would be doing it. If you want me to do a makeup video, in order to show you guys how all this makeup product looks on my face, go ahead and leave your comment in the comment section that you want me to do a makeup video, because I'm not a makeup artist, just to demo the product on my face for you guys, okay? So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy I hope you enjoy imposing this product with me. Thank you so much if you are still watching up to this moment. God bless you, okay? Thank you. And if today is your first time, please don't forget to hit that red button, subscribe to me, okay? Subscribe. Like this video as well as share it out, okay? Please don't forget as well to leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys, okay? See you guys in my next video.